Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change 2018 Honda Accord front brakes. Start by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake, then loosen lug nuts slightly. Jack the car and support it on stands, remove the wheel, and inspect the rotor and caliper. Keep bolts organized and protect painted surfaces. Work one side at a time and compare parts to the new kit for correct fitment and orientation. In this video, I will show how to change 2018 Honda Accord front brakes. Use a wrench to remove caliper guide bolts and carefully slide the caliper off the rotor without stretching the hose. Secure the caliper with a hanger or bungee, then remove old pads and any retaining clips. Clean the caliper and piston area, check for leaks, and lubricate slider pins with high-temperature grease before compressing the piston for new pad installation. In this video, I will show how to change 2018 Honda Accord front brakes. After compressing the piston, seat the new pads and reinstall the caliper, ensuring clips and shims are correctly placed. Torque guide bolts and wheel lug nuts to factory specs and avoid cross-threading. Pump the brake pedal until firm before driving to seat pads, then test brakes at low speed. Check fluid level and top off as needed, watching for leaks and proper pedal feel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.